Welcome to Sector Watch, your weekly roundup of what's moving in crypto only on 3.2 TV. This week, liquidity and institutional narratives drove rotations. DeFi's total value lock surge, RWA's advance towards TradeFi utility, and AI infrastructure showed meaningful progress. So what's the macro sentiment? Bitcoin is trading around $122,000, a few $1,000s away from its previous all-time high. Total crypto market cap sits at $4.1 trillion and liquidity is rotating into DeFi, RWAs and AI. We also saw Ethereum's open interest has surged to nearly $60 billion as Ethereum trades close to its multi-year highs. Derivative positioning and ETF flows are driving concentrated activity towards Ethereum. Number one, we'll move on to the first sector, that's DeFi or decentralized finance. The market cap sits at $173 billion. In the last 7 days, it's up by 23.3%. And the total value lock for DeFi sits at $156 billion. It's up from $130 billion in 10 days ago. Stablecoin liquidity injections and renewed staking lending demand are refilling DeFi rails. Coinbase's stablecoin Bootstrap fund is seeding liquidity into Aave, Morpho, Camino, and Jupiter, boosting lending depth and total value locked. Large cap protocols consolidate TVL while smaller cap projects outsize percentage gains as capital broadens. What have been the key developments in DeFi? We've seen Coinbase relaunches the stablecoin Bootstrap fund to support Aave, Morpho, Camino, and Jupiter. Then we've seen a very good development with Aave hitting the $40 to $50 billion total value lock band, which is a new high, underscoring institutional adoption of on-chain lending. It's up by 40% in the last month. And then we've seen some smaller protocols like Note, LON, ZRC, and ZEUS posted significant TVL growth. Capital is diversifying. MEV protocol leader network shuts down, monitors treasury and token redistribution impact. What have been the top weekly gainers? Number one, we've got AERO, which is up by 74% on the week. We've done a coin check episode this Monday on AERO. Do check that out. Then we've got Lido, which is up by 67.4%, and that is because of the staking demand. And again, this week we covered this on CoinCheck. It was Chainlink or Link, the Oracle coin. What have been the narrative highlight? So total value lock rose almost 26 billion in 10 days, and DeFi is deaccumulating liquidity and advancing towards institutional product market fit. The next sector is real world assets or RWA. The market cap sits at $56 billion, and in the last 7 days, it's up by 17.9%. So tokenization is moving from pilots into production as custody, compliance, and market infrastructure scale. Sovereign and institutional pirates are rolling barriers for larger capital. What have been the key developments? We've seen number one, Brazil is debating a sovereign digital reserve policy. It gives potential validation for sovereign on-chain allocations. Second, we've seen Wall Street firms complete 24/7 tokenized US Treasury financing on Canton network. And then we've seen custody and rails expand, Hextrust, Zodiac, KU Coin, AlloyX collaborations, and UBS UMint integrations as well. So we've seen regulatory progress in Hong Kong and EU tokenization. Stablecoin framework supports compliant issuance. In RWA, we've got weekly gainers as KTA, which is Kita. It's up by 45.3%, tokenized credit uptake. Then we've got Chainlink, which we covered in DeFi, and then we've got RSR, which is 29.7%, which is because of the stablecoin infrastructure narrative. So RWA flows are structural and institutional led. Expect continued custody and compliance announcements as issuance scales. Last sector we've got is artificial intelligence. The market cap sits at $32.16 billion. In the last 7 days, it's up by 17.2%. And when we look at AI plus blockchain is shifting from speculative narrative to product-driven demand. Investment is following real utility, decentralized compute markets, persistent on-chain storage for data sets, agent orchestration layers, and exchange-level integrations that create immediate token utility. Institutions and corporate partnership are increasing confidence in infrastructure tokens, while retail-facing integrations improve adoption pathways. So what are the key developments in AI? Number one, we've seen GPT-5 rollout. ChatGPT came out with their GPT-5 version, which launched recently. Then we've seen Planck, which launches a layer 0 for decentralized AI and global GPU networks, enabling cross-chain inference. Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance teases ASI chain and agent coordination L1 for decentralized agents and data sharing. Then we've seen Tesla Samsung $16.5 billion chip deal, which is a large-scale corporate demand for AI compute supports decentralized GPU markets. In crypto, we've seen virtual protocols, AI agents integrated into Coinbase's retail DEX. So it's detailed user interface plus on-chain utility, the bringing DeFi into centralized exchanges that Coinbase has been doing. And small cap AI tokens, we've seen Siren, Tag, and Griffin continue to move on listings and partnerships, Monitor, Catalyst, and Liquidity. So top weekly AI gainers, we've seen number one Cubic, which is up by 27.2%. Then we've got AI OZ, which is up by around 20% in the last 7 days. And then we've got AR, which is up by 19.1%. So prioritizing infrastructure exposure that captures compute, storage, and agent coordination demand, integrations and enterprise access separate durable winners from headline-driven pumps. What's the summary of the show? So liquidity rotation is real, DeFi captures yield-seeking capital, RWAs convert institutional product intent into on-chain volume, and AI matures as infrastructure integrations deliver utility. Size positions, watch stablecoin liquidity flows and partner integrations as leading indicators. Manage sizing and monitor Ethereum as the primary short-term signal. So that's it for today's Sector Watch. Thank you for watching DeFi TV. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest news and developments happening in the Web3 space. I'll see you guys again on next Friday, and goodbye for now.